Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the Show Touches feature on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the avatar icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should tap on preferences at the top, scroll down, and here you can see the interface section, which is the third one. And here you can enable the Show Touches function by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen, thereby visualizing where your fingers touch the screen. So if you want to disable the Show Touches feature, just click on the same button again. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.